Hello traders, welcome back. This is MJ Crypto. So this is AXS USDT, and I'm going to be running an analysis for you right now about Axie Infinity on CoinMarketCap and of course on TradingView. So from here, we're actually on the weekly time frame, and you can see we had a capitulation going on, and price just broke out from that capitulation. Now, where is the capitulation holding? Where was the panic selling? This was where the panic selling took place. I want you to see this very clearly. This big red candle here, we had a lot of panic sellers who were actually taken out of the market. Now, the market has fully recovered, okay, back into this range, back into the range bound. Let me quickly do that for you so that you see exactly what I'm saying. The market has fully recovered back into the range, and most likely it's going to go up to this point here, the top of the range, right? Most likely it's going to go to the top of this range. But that's not it. Let's go to CoinMarketCap first of all to see the fundamentals behind Axie Infinity price currently. As you can see, we have a market cap of about 928 million US dollars, 400 and okay, it's actually fluctuating, 928 million US dollars. Let's just put it that way. Almost $1 billion US dollars. All right, on Axie Infinity. And the trading volume is quite okay. It's not bad. We've had about 6.57% increase in the last 24 hours, which is not that bad. And let's see if there's any particular news going on before we go into the technicals. Okay. So let's go into the technicals and let's see what the daily time frame is saying. See what the daily time frame is saying. We're continuously making higher highs. I like this. It's following a trend. So first start by, looking at this from a trendy base. And let's put this on 4 hours. Put this on the 4-hour time frame, we can see there was actually an inducement ongoing here. There was an inducement, and that inducement is found somewhere below this order block. Now, don't forget there's an order block sitting right here. It's another block sitting right here that caused this break of structure. And here's where the inducement is taking place. This inducement is happening somewhere around here. You can see a range bound price action, isn't it? You can see a range bound of price action. Now, after a break of structure, we usually do not want to see a range bound. Let me knock this weekly key level out so you see clearly. We usually do not want to see a range bound after a break of structure. Why? Because it's going to form a purge, which will create liquidity. And that is what SMC calls inducement. Now, after this purge, bring this down a little bit. Now, just after this purge, I want to refine my order block to this level. All right, so just after this purge, price hits it, goes back into the range, tries to consolidate. We should be expecting higher prices from where we are currently. All right, so that's basically it for AXS. And next target should be, let's check the weekly, should be far up here. Everything goes as planned, should be far up to this point, about $12 a couple of weeks from now. But that's just an opinion. The market could decide to do whatever it wants to do and head back towards the downside. And if we head back towards the downside, definitely we're going to be coming back to this region. We're going to be coming back to this region at about $4, and that should be our next target if we do not continue to make higher highs from the high points. So that's it for AXS. Click on the subscribe button and follow this channel for more updates on coins. I'm going to be dropping as much as 5 coins per day. So click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out anything, guys. Let's go.